What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing some headlights on my 2019 WRX. I picked these up from Subi Mods. I think you can get them straight from their supplier too. These are VLAND. They're budget-friendly headlights that look pretty similar to the same types that you see from Subi Speed and whatnot. So let's jump into the unboxing. So I picked up these VLAND headlights for the WRX. I'll leave a link in the description which ones they are. But let's open them up and take a look. Why do I feel like I opened this upside down? Maybe not. So, the box comes with everything you need, as far as I know, to do this installation. The only annoying part is to get your headlights off, you need to actually remove the bumper. So, I'm going to take a look to make sure all the wire harnesses are in here, and then I will start taking off the bumper off. There are 10mm bolts on the side here, up top. Sorry, the sun is not helping. And there's also 2 in the front. And I'm going to get those off, and then that'll take off the plastic bracket, and then we'll actually be able to fully take the headlight off and get that unplugged. Just to help you guys out, when you finally get in here to get your headlight off, there is one clip. I'll show you on this side because it's still connected. This clip here, you just need to push down on it, pull back, push down on this portion. can literally hear water. You guys see all that water? Look at the water at the bottom of my headlight. Oh my god, there's so much water in there. I can't even. I don't even know how to get that out of there, but hopefully you guys can see why I'm replacing my headlights, because they are filled with water. So, fed this wire down from the top. That's gonna plug in right here. Both say steering harness. That's clipped in. Get this clip off. And then this is going to go to the fuse box over there. This is the one I dropped down. It's coming right here. And this is how it connects. Gonna try and be quick and start it up and just test it to make sure all the wiring is in the right place, and we'll see if the lights turn on. Okay, so fog lights and regular lights are working. I definitely want to get LED fog lights at some point. Let's try blinkers. That plug and play solution. My battery's dying on my camera, but I at least wanted you to see what they look like once they're on. Take you off here. Once I get the bumper back on and everything, I'm going to reroute the cable that's going to the fuse box, which... So my camera died, but after enlisting some help of my friendly neighbor, I finally got my front bumper back on. It took me forever. I was having such a hard time aligning it by myself, so I'm closing this out on my cell phone. The headlights look fantastic. I'm super stoked with them given how much they were. I really just didn't have high expectations, but the fitment's pretty good. And I love the way the sequential looks. So if I excuse my messy garage, it looks great. I'm stoked. I can't get over the sequential. I'm pleasantly surprised for it being plug and play. I didn't have to splice anything. Just use the factory harness and the essentially like jumper harnesses that they provided and the extension out to the fuse box, and bam, it worked. So if you're looking for a super simple solution for updating your headlights, I would definitely recommend checking these out for the price point. Time will tell how good they are. Maybe these will end up with water inside of them too, who knows. I do have to adjust them quite a bit. The right side is a little bit too high. I know it's supposed to be higher for road signs and whatnot, but I will definitely have to adjust it to bring it down a little bit so it doesn't actually mess up people's view on the road when I'm driving at nighttime. I just took it for a quick ride and I think it looks great. I'm super happy with the install. I'll get some still shots and stuff tomorrow and put them at the end of this video for you. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more Subaru WRX content, please hit that like, comment, subscribe. Not really, but it looks so good. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.